Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account with Quora, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your account with Quora, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Quora website at www.quora.com. Once the page has loaded, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Quora account. Type your email address into the provided field. After entering your email address, click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for an email from Quora. Look for the email titled Reset Your Password. Open the email and locate the password reset link provided within. Click on the password reset link. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the first input field. Re-enter your new password in the second input field to confirm. Once both fields are filled, click on the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Quora login page. Input your email address and new password into the respective fields. Finally, click on the Login button to access your account with the new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.